Are you like me? I hope not, because if you are, then on one of the nicest weather days of the year, you will have laid down after lunch and taken a nap and missed most of the day. So that's always fun. Well, we're gonna try to get old John going here. We need him for something we're gonna make an attempt at. I hope we can get it accomplished. We're gonna do that right after this. Welcome back. If you haven't seen my videos before, I'm Rouse the Aller Man. Pay no mind to the fact that this is a John Deere, but it's what is going to work for the job at hand. I was going to use this chain, but it's not wanting to cooperate with me. I see it's got a knot in it for some reason. I cannot stand the knot. So let's get this untangulated. Or let's not. Let's, you know, do the most difficult thing. But we're getting ready to start. We're going to go down the road towards evening with a tractor that has no working lights. So that's a good idea. Okay, John, I'm going to have two hands because I'd almost bet you $1 it needs choke. Let's see. Ooh, that doesn't sound happy. I do not like that sound you made. That must have been the sound of the hydraulic pump messing up. There we go. It hasn't run in a while. Try not to hit all the garbage we've got laying around. Late night landau repair. You didn't see that, but it's probably a good thing because it was mainly just animal noises. Get that cleaned up. I don't know if it's dry enough yet, but we're gonna try. Be a terrible decision. I don't know. I don't know. We're cutting some pretty deep rut. I don't think we're going to do any loader work, which is what I was hoping. I was hoping to be able to pick it up partially with the loader, so I didn't have to jump on and off so much. Well, Knudsen. Jeez. Most important thing is we don't want to have to walk back, so do not get stuck at any cost. Come on. That's what we want. Let's gently go backwards. Oh, don't lose it. We're gonna show you something neat. Come on. Oh, it's gonna hit it. Look at that, right between there. Also wall backing right into the mud. Come on. I think we'll just shove it all over there and I'll deal with it later. Story of my life. Deal with it later. Of course. I figured as much. But that's okay. I knew that wasn't going to work anyway. We'll make extra trips. It's fine. Get in there. This will also be a good hydraulic longevity test because we haven't really used this much since we did all that work. Also, I'd love to set you down somewhere so that I had free hands, but then you won't be able to see probably anything. Can see our corn coming up. You can also, well, yeah, I've done about as much as I can do without getting off the tractor, including but not limited to almost destroying the fence. Amazing how the tree could fall on it and not cause any damage. And then I caused damage. We'll see if we can't drag that piece out, and maybe it'll hook some of this others and bring it along. This work, you know? Why would it? There's the fix. Come on down. Everybody off. Sure. Let's tear that wire too while we're at it. Let's rip it off every single one. Good. I'm glad that didn't want to just work. This is under tremendous tension now, probably. Oh yeah. That's a bunch of baloney, you know? Well, there's what a bunch of those look like. Ooh. That's back in the ditch. Oh well. I don't really want to have my hand in that. But I really want that to flip off of there. Sure. Dang. What a mess. I'm going to put some fuel in this, and I'm going to try to keep after it. See if I can't get most of that drug out of the way. That piece was on there so nice, I figured I might as well just bring it right up here in one chunk. So hopefully we can get most of it. If we can't, we'll just work around it. So yeah. Do you enjoy seeing a basic white man in his middle 30s struggling at life? If so, hit that thumbs up and leave us a comment. because all of that stuff is supposed to help us out and grow the channel, and we can keep making more stuff like what you just saw. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.